Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make Andhra chicken curry in Hamare style. It's a very popular in Andhra Pradesh. It's really spicy and super tasty. So let's start. For this we need fresh chicken pieces. First we will make a paste for this curry. So take onions, tomatoes and dry coconut powder. Make a smooth paste in a mixer like this. Keep it aside. Now take oil in a pan. Once oil becomes hot, add onions and green chilies. Toss it for a minute on a medium gas flame. Now add our chicken pieces. Toss it. Now add red chilli powder and salt as per taste. Mix it and fry it for a minute. Now add our paste which we made before. Mix it nicely. Then add chicken curry paste. You can also add chicken curry masala if paste is not available. Both are available in all supermarkets. Mix it well. Now cover with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes on a low to medium flame so that our chicken cook nicely. Wow! The smell and texture is really awesome. You can see it nicely done. Chicken cooked so well. Now add water as per gravy requirement. Mix it. Once again cover with a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes more. Now remove the lid and it's ready. If you want thick gravy, then let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes more. Now garnish with some fresh coriander. So here is our Andhra chicken curry. It's ready to eat. Wow! Serve hot either with a rice, chapati or vada. Andhra special chicken curry. Feel like to eat? Then try it. And give us your feedback in a comment. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.